Severe thunderstorms struck Belgium, bringing strong winds, hail, and intense lightning across several regions. The storm system developed rapidly, creating unstable and hazardous weather conditions in a short time. In Liège Province, wind gusts caused localized damage, including a partially fallen poplar tree. Évregnies and Libramont-Chevigny reported small hail of around 1 centimeter during active storm cells, with brief but intense precipitation. In Brussels, Evere, heavy rain and frequent lightning were observed during nighttime storms, showing strong electrical activity. Tournaisis experienced strong winds and repeated lightning, with little rainfall, indicating highly unstable atmospheric conditions. The storms disrupted weather conditions across Belgium, causing scattered local impacts in several regions and affecting daily activities, transport, and visibility during the most intense phases.